now. Number 3 is FLASHFORGE 3D printer. When it comes to the best 3D printer under $1,000, the FLASHFORGE 3D printer takes the spotlight with its outstanding features and unbeatable value. Prepare to embark on an extraordinary printing journey filled with excitement and precision. This incredible printer boasts advanced functionalities that will leave you in awe. With automatic bed leveling, you can say goodbye to tedious adjustments and hello to seamless printing. Rapid nozzle replacement, including hardened and high-speed options, ensures you're always equipped for any project, delivering mind-blowing speed of up to 300 millimeters per second. Prepare to be amazed by the enhanced print quality of the FLASHFORGE 3D printer. Equipped with 3 extruder fans, it guarantees optimal cooling, resulting in impeccable print finishes. The flexible PEI platform facilitates effortless print removal and reduces the risk of damage, ensuring flawless results every time. Safety is a top priority, and this printer takes it seriously. It features a HEPA 13 air filtration system, keeping your workspace clean and breathable. Say goodbye to worries and breathe easily while exploring the endless possibilities of 3D printing. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.